So our division not only plants native vegetation, it also helps it on the journey to becoming a natural ecological area. We're unique in the sense that we can offer a full green asset management range of services, right from dealing with the very large trees at the beginning of developments through to healing the scars of progress and then making sure that the environment is as good as it can be. And so there's not a lot of operators with the scale that Treescape has and the amount of tools and techniques to do a complete job. We've got around about 48 people now who do everything from the planting right through to the aftercare reporting and maintenance of wild areas. There's other pests like rats. Part of our service is around managing them and essentially giving the forest the best chance of turning into a thriving natural area. We're driven by passion. And so a lot of the people are very passionate about what they do, and it's more than just a job, it's a career and it's a way of life for many of them.